Here are some key features of Node.js. 1. Asynchronous and event-driven. Node.js is designed to be asynchronous, which means that it can handle multiple requests simultaneously without blocking other requests. This makes it well-suited for building highly scalable and performant applications. 2. JavaScript. Node.js uses JavaScript as its primary language, which makes it easy for web developers to learn and use. This also means that developers can use the same language for both client-side and server-side development. 3. NPM. Node.js comes with a powerful package manager called NPM, Node Package Manager, which makes it easy to install and manage third-party libraries and modules. This allows developers to reuse code and avoid reinventing the wheel. 4. Lightweight and fast. Node.js is a lightweight and fast runtime environment, which means that it can handle a large number of concurrent connections with low latency. 5. Scalability. Node.js is designed to be highly scalable, which means that it can handle large amounts of traffic with ease. It can also be easily scaled horizontally across multiple machines. 6. Cross-platform. Node.js can run on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which makes it a versatile choice for building applications that need to run on different environments. 7. Community. Node.js has a large and active community of developers, which means that there are many resources and tools available for developers to use. This can help speed up development and reduce time to market. 8. Non-blocking I/O. Node.js uses non-blocking I/O, which means that it can handle multiple I/O operations concurrently without blocking the execution of other code. This can improve application performance and reduce latency. 9. Built-in modules. Node.js comes with a set of built-in modules that provide functionality for common tasks, such as file I/O, networking, and cryptography. This can help simplify development and reduce the need for external dependencies. 10. Expressive syntax. Node.js has an expressive and easy-to-read syntax, which makes it easy to write and maintain code. It also supports modern features such as arrow functions, template literals, and destructuring assignments. 11. Streaming data. Node.js supports streaming data, which means that data can be processed in real time as it is being transmitted. This can be useful for applications that deal with large amounts of data, such as video streaming or real-time analytics. 12. Single-threaded. Node.js is single-threaded, which means that it can only execute one task at a time. However, it uses an event loop to handle multiple requests concurrently, which allows it to handle a large number of requests with low overhead. 13. Debugging tools. Node.js comes with built-in debugging tools, such as the Node Inspector, which allows developers to debug Node.js applications from within the Chrome browser. 14. Community-driven. Node.js is an open-source project that is developed and maintained by a large and active community of developers. This means that there are many resources available for developers to learn from, such as documentation, tutorials, and forums. Overall, Node.js is a powerful and versatile platform that provides many features and benefits for web application development. Its non-blocking I/O, built-in modules, expressive syntax, streaming data support, and debugging tools make it a popular choice among developers who want to build fast, scalable, and reliable applications.